GlamFam, today we're going to be opening this that a company sent us. We're going to be reviewing it today, so let's get into it.
So this bag was sent to us from OCPUD. I'm going to be putting their website
in the description below.
In the description below, they have a number of cutesy little bags on their website, and I selected this one because Xone often needs an extra lunchbox. So she has 2 lunchboxes right now. This one is the Kawaii Cooler Thermal Tote Bag. It's aluminum foil insulated, and we're gonna open it and give a little review and see. Let's get into it.
I'm so excited.
This bright pink color is gonna have me washing bags all the time. But let's talk about the bag itself.
We have a cup holder.
All right, so there's a bottle holder on the side, a place to put your water bottle on the side,
and we also have this extra thing if you need to keep something from somebody, like your house keys.
All right, so there's an extra pocket on the back side,
so you can keep your house keys or whatever you need. That's important.
This is what the front of it looks like.
It looks really nice.
I'm thinking maybe I could label her name and put it somewhere on here. The heart is more on the plastic end, so if I'm gonna label this, I may need like permanent vinyl instead of iron-on. So this is here in case you want to just carry the bag handheld. If you just want to hold it in your hand, let me zip it back up for a second. If you just want to hold it like this handle is right here. Maybe as an adult, you might want to bring it like this. But if you're a child and you don't want to necessarily have extra baggage, then that's when you're going to use the shoulder strap. So this is the bag. So this is not so much a review. This is more of a unboxing because we've not used this yet. So later, I'll make another video. We're gonna give her a go, and then we'll come back a few months later to do like a really good review. But today we're unboxing. It seems, the quality seems pretty good. It's insulated. So this is what the inside looks like, and it's big. It's big. I'll be showing you guys on screen here so that you can check out measurements, but it's big. You get the actual measurements when I pull up the description of it from their website.
So,
but if you're an adult and you want to bring your lunch in this, there's a lot of room. It comes also with an extra pocket. You could stick your wipes in here or your napkin,
whatever you use.
Yeah, but it's very big. Refer to the description. I'll be showing you guys. Let's just run on over there and see what they have. All right, folks, so this is their website. There's sports bag, there's makeup bag, there's bags for ladies. So feel free to check out their websites. They have travel bag, storage bags, all sorts of bags are over here. Outdoor bags, waterproof bags, baby bags. Really, really cute. So do give them a check. I will be putting the link to the store in the description below. I will also be linking the lunchbox that I was sent in the description below. There it is. Here is a close-up, and feel free to pause to kind of look at the description, the notes and the description below, just in case you would like to make a purchase. If you're looking to purchase something from their website, we do have a $5 off. Is it $5? We do have a $5 off, either a $5 or a 5%. So the code is going to be in the description. What's the code?
Tamera 5 off.
Tamera 5 off, and we're going to run over there and we're going to make a purchase. The cost for this bag is $13.99. We're going to give it a go and see how she runs.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.